In this case, we'll do exactly the same, but the last part, we're going to do a little bit faster. Therefore, the front part, when we go into the leg, going to be a little bit longer, and then last second, with getting very much power to your standing leg, not to the free leg. Don't try to make your free leg faster. Try to make your standing leg faster. Also, one more tip what I give for you, when you do this type of fast twist, you want to actually elevate and tuck your tummy in with the chest forward rather than dropping it. So let's do that small combination where we can clearly see that secret. We do Cuban rock side to side, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1. For example, we can do the same for the forward. Let's say if we want to do a check forward walk. Of course, what is correct technique? We're going over the leg, into the leg, then we pass the leg, and hopefully through the inside edge of the toe and contact